Let's do a quick review. In this chapter, we manually fetched available module updates to see if there were any updates available and found out that we could update our media module, which we did. We then found that we needed the development version of the media module, so we went through a manual process of updating our module. We then began working on the header in order to make the main menu match our mockup, and we began by removing the background colors on the tabs. We then changed the font size to match that of the mockup. If you're looking for a challenge, here's a few things that you can do. In this process, we were asked several times to back up our database and back up our site before we made a module update or ran an update to the database. Now, this is something that typically you'll want to do on a regular basis as you work through your Drupal site. So try to come up with a system for packaging up these backups and naming them in such a way so that you'll remember why you backed it up, what the important milestone was that the backup was in preparation for. This kind of system will come in handy as you build additional Drupal sites. Next, now that you know the answer to our problem with the media module, which was to update the image information for the media that we already had on our site when we installed the media module, try to find that answer by searching through Google. See if you can distill any principles for searching for solutions to your problems by taking problems you know the solution for and trying to identify a path to them by using Google and Drupal.org. Finally, take the main menu that we've been adjusting and move it to the center of the page to center the menu instead of having it aligned on the left. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.